Hey YouTube, we're starting off this new Rufus Golden Ball channel with a project of our own. It's a tribute to Sir. Just picked up this MX650 Razor little mini bike, and we're gonna do the Electro and Company 5,000 watt kit Sir does on his. We just got it, we just unloaded it, we picked it up used. It's kind of beat up. Things about it that are crappy are the brakes are out of adjustment, which is not a big deal, we're replacing them. But it's got some head slack. Hey, lift up the handlebars, Max. It's got a warped front wheel that's really out of whack. The steering stem, like, it's got some play. So we got some things we gotta fix. It's you know, pretty shoddy little thing. It's nothing like a real dirt bike, but it'll be fun. It'll be a fun project. What do you think, Max?
It'll be fun.
Yeah, so we're gonna be upgrading this in the next couple weeks, and we'll update some videos. But before we do it, let's test it out. So when I picked it up and I was talking to the guy, you know, he was selling it for his kid. I asked him, I go, what kind of battery life does this thing get? You know, with the stock setup. And he told me that it got about 2 hours. I'm like, what? No freaking way. So the guy was totally BSing me. But I looked up online, and they say it gets like, I think 40 minutes max with a kid on it. And he said he charged it up, but let's see what kind of power this thing has, because he says it's 2 years old. And try it out, Max. Let's see if it even moves. So we'll take it over here on the street. I think these things go like 15 stock. Max is about 100 and probably 40 now, 130. Think you ride a wheelie on that? You'd probably have to start it in a wheelie. Oh, it's weak. One thing I didn't realize, don't go too fast, Max, that front wheel looks pretty sketchy. One thing I didn't realize is that one has no engine braking. Wow, that wheel's bad. That wheel's so bad. Here, come at me and swerve around me, Max. We gotta get this wheel on video. Whoa. Lost my hat. Whoa. Sorry for the wind, guys. It's really windy here. Here, Max. Hold the camera while you're riding and get a first person view. Alright. Uh-oh. Is it losing all the juice?
It's out of battery. Whoa, never mind.
What?
I don't know what it is.
Uh-oh.
And it's done. No. I'm confused.
So it's almost out of juice?
Almost.
Or is the throttle jacked up? So we got jacked up throttle. The head angle probably need, or I don't even know what you call this part here, but it needs new bearings on the bottom at least. Probably the top. I know Razor sells parts for these on their website, so I don't think that'll be an issue. But here it is in its current form. When we're done, we bought a rear street tire for it like Sir did. The front one was out of stock, so we haven't gotten that one yet. We're gonna try and straighten those spokes on that rim, give that a shot before we order the other tire, because at least we'll have a front brake if we do that. And yeah, that's it. So next time you see this, it'll be upgraded, and hopefully it's worth the money. We'll see. If it turns into a little wheelie machine like Sir has his, we think it'll be fun. So might be money well spent just for the fun factor. But I'll catch you guys next time, and see you later.